As you can see on my shirt, I'm from Vietnam. Nam Viet, yeah. Yeah. Nam Viet. Okay. And my name is Ho. It's like it's Phuong. You can write. I can write. Of course. Because in Vietnamese we have sound, so my name actually has sound like this. But whatever you feel comfortable, just call me whatever you want, or just call P as well. It's okay. Actually, the correct pronoun is Pho. Hi. Hello everyone.
Nice to meet you.
And may I ask how old are you? Okay. Like general age. So I am 20 years old. I don't know how to pronounce be polite, so I just call your name. Okay. I will get to know you later. I want to know how old are you. So I just arrived here from Long City, which is really far, just like 2 hours away. Do you have other things to ask me?
I want to ask you.
Okay.
Yeah, Toila Ricky and you can call me Ricky. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So where you come from in Vietnam? Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh?
I currently live and study in Ho Chi Minh City, but my hometown is a little bit to the north of Ho Chi Minh City.
So you are now studying police?
Yeah, I'm studying international relations at a university which the name really long. It's the University of Social Science and Humanities. Yeah, so we usually just call it USSH. So yeah, that's my university.
I have friend Vietnam is from Hanoi.
Okay.
Is study in Napa. Napa. National Association of Public Administration in Hanoi. So yeah, maybe later I can talk to you about everything. Yeah.
Okay, person.
I give you 10 minutes.
Oh,
How many siblings do you have? I'm sorry? How many siblings? I have a sister. Yeah. She's 10 years older than me. So like a big age gap, 10 years older. And she's having a child too. You raise your hand.
is your first time coming?
It's the first time being everywhere outside Vietnam actually. How long stay here? How long stay? We usually stay in here. I probably will stay here for 6 weeks. Yeah. So during my stay here, it's my birthday on August the 18th. So if some of you guys can take me out and to see Indonesia, it would be great. Any questions? Okay.
Okay, Lala, please.